So in total, it did, whoo, I can't believe it's done that much. Honestly, it's crazy how much money it's done. I'm so happy. I have just woken up, so give me a minute. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to my busiest location and we're going to see how much money it's made because it's definitely smashed last month's sales. Also, my card machine broke on one of my other vending machines, so I got a new one. So yeah, we're going to put that in also. So we just got to Best Ways. Little fun fact, we just stopped at my dad's my grandma and granddad's old shop where my dad used to live in the 70s. And we spoke to the shopkeeper and I picked up a black grape. KA. Following in my grandparents' footsteps with having vending machines. Really not looking forward to spending £8 in here. Let's get you in frame, sir. Are you okay with that? Do you need any help? I feel bad just standing here filming you, but let me help. Oh. This is for me. These. And these. I'm not looking forward to paying for this. Hello, sunshine. Oh my god. Look at him trying to, there we go, he's got him. Need some of you. Okay, so I need an absolute ton of you. I'm not looking forward to paying for this. Just put this card reader on the machine. Everything's working now, nice and fine. Just bought these from the machine, just as evidence that it works. This was actually a pain in the ass to put on, but you know, we move. So we just got out of the first one. It was very stressful. We was in there for about an hour because we had to sort the stuff out. Plus, the machine wasn't accepting coins. Pretty sure it's because it didn't have a card reader on it, but you know, we fixed it. But now we're gonna go get some food from our kids, and then we're gonna go and fill up the rest of the machines. So we have just got here. Dad's turning the machine on. Nice bit of coinage in there. This is all from this month. Obviously we've still got tomorrow as well, but we are going to empty it today. Put straight back in there. But yeah, I only came here on Wednesday and it's now Saturday. Something. But yeah. This is all filled with Coke and it's been demolished. There's only one left. This height thing's really getting to be a joke. Have the Oreos, please, boss man. Proper, just trap my hand in the machine. What's that? Oh, thank you. Okay, so we did do the cash out of the machine. Didn't really film it though because we didn't want to be throwing the money around while there was people in the break room. So this is what it looks like. When I get home, I'll tell you how much it made. Alright, so just got back to my I got hair in there. Okay. So I just got back to my parents. We didn't film the last one because it was quite busy in there and it's awkward. So she doesn't want to be shown because she doesn't feel well. I'm wearing mum's cuddly jumper because I'm cold. So we got the bag of cash. Jesus. So we're gonna count the dollar, and we will be back in a minute to let you know how much the machine made, as you can hear, in this month. That's the second machine. This is the first machine. Well, this is the second machine. The first machine was one where we put the card machine. One. This is the third machine. Oh, sorry.
Got it.
Thank you. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute to let you know how much the machine made in 1 month. Mum, say peace.
Peace out.
Guys, so I forgot to finish this video off. Me and my mum counted the money and then I went AWOL for 2 weeks. Before I get to the actual digits, I just want to say when I first bought this machine on location, it was only doing £300. So for it to be only done £300 when I first got it to now be doing this much money is absolutely crazy to think. And it's only been 6 months, so I don't even know how much it's going to be doing in a year. So that's mad, and that's all through sales analysis. So yeah, but in cash it did £172.85, and in card in 1 month it did £855. So in total it did £973.40. Whoo! I can't believe it's done that much. Honestly, it's crazy how much money it's done. I'm so happy. And it's only gonna go up. But I have to admit, I have put in the work in this machine. I did buy it when it was only doing £300 to £350 a month in sales. I did work my backside off to get it to be doing this amount it is doing right now, and I did have to put a bigger machine in the building. So yeah, I did work for this. It wasn't just luck. I did have to analyze the numbers. I did have to figure out what they wanted, and yeah, but the work's paid off, and the sales are continuing to rise. I've looked at it this month and the sales are still continuing to rise. I just need to keep at it for my other locations. So I've been getting many DMs about mentoring, helping people, answering questions, this, that and the other. I am stopping answering DMs at the minute just because of how many I've been getting. I will be bringing out some sort of like mentoring question sort of help thing soon. I just don't know when. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, cue the outro. Peace.
10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't the gang.